as Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson shattered law's highest glass ceiling. Less than 10 miles away, 3 law students at American University were watching with pride.
I was so happy. At times, like as a Black woman in law, it can feel that you have to work twice as hard as everyone else to get to the same place.
It doesn't matter where you come from or what you look like, that you can aspire to whatever dreams you want.
Someone who looks like me is now, for the first time, being someone who can interpret our country's laws at the highest level.
Nia Langley is passionate about human rights. Rolanda Donaldson is studying reproductive law. And Imani Brooks hopes to follow in Judge Jackson's footsteps.
It's definitely a personal inspiration for me to see her becoming a justice.
What does Judge Jackson's path to the Supreme Court mean to you in what you want to do in the law?
Often in a predominantly white industry or room, you sometimes can question whether you belong, and her presence is something that says you do.
In 2 centuries, only 71 Black women have served as federal judges. That's just 2%.
It's important for the court that decides stuff about America looks like America.
Judge Jackson says she was often told she'd never make it. So were these young women. But they also have strong women in their lives who told them not to listen to the naysayers. How'd you get through it?
The support of my mom, my grandma, them telling me, like, yes, you can. I think Judge Brown Jackson will be one of those legal titans for little Black girls and Black women who've been told, no, you can't do this. They'll look at her and they'll be like, but she did.
Right.
So I can.
Of the thousands of images captured during the confirmation hearings, this one stands out. Jackson's daughter, Layla, looking up to her mother with pride as the eyes of women and girls of all ages and all races are now also on Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson.
I hope in the future that we will have no more first, and that it'll just be something that's like, oh, like there's another like Black woman on the Supreme Court. Great.
Looking up and looking forward to a more just future. Kristen Welker, NBC News, Washington.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.